Hello, welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're going to be working on number 120. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 6, 5. Let's look at this column. Looks like we're missing a 1 and a 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. For this box again, we're missing 1 and 2. I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's look at this top row here. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2, 5. No help here. 1, 2, 5, 6. A 1 and 6 here, so 2, 5. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 here. So 2, 5, 7. We've got a 7 here. Well, 7 covering this box. So 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. But if that 7 is covering these two boxes and this 7 is covering this box, our 7 has to be here. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 4 here and the 6 here. So 2, 5. Still this 4. So 2, 5, 6. We've got the 6 and the 4 here. So 4, 5. But if we look back across here, this 4 is covering these two boxes, and this 4 is covering this box, so our 4 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 5, 7. Got a 7 here, so 3, 5, 8. 3 here. Oh, and an 8 here, so 5, 7. Got the 7 here and a 3 here, so 5, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 5, 9. A 1 and a 9 here, so 5, 8. And 9 here, so 1, 5, 8, and no help here, so 1, 5, 8, and 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got a 7, 8 here, so 5, 6, and a 5 here. So 6, 7, 8, and so if we look back, the only place our 7 can be is here. And then if we look again, the only place our 8 can be is here. So we can go back over here and get rid of our 8s. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here and a 1 here. So 4, 5, 1 here. So 3, 4, 5, 4 here and a 1 here. So 3, 5, and that 4 again here. And it's looking like, yes, this is the only box our 1 can be in for that row. That means we can come back down here and get rid of that 1. All right, for this box, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so 4, 5. No help here, so 3, 4, 5, 7. If we look at this column here, we're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. We've got no help here. 3, 5, 8, 9. We've got a 5 and a 9 here. So 3, 8, and a 3 and 8 here. So 5, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Here we've got 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. One, 4, 5, 6, 9. So in this box, the only place our 9 can be is here. So then that means that if we come over here, this box has to be our 5, which would make this our 9. So we can get rid of the 5 and 9 from here. And that 5 makes this our 1. Did we get any other help here? So not from those, but if we look at this column, this is the only box our 1 can be in, and this is the only box our 2 can be in. So that means we can get rid of the 2's here and here. And that 1 means this is our 2 and 1. So that means we can get rid of this 1, and this 2, and this 2. All right. Work on this box. Looks like we're missing 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. We've got a 2 here, 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So did we learn anything there? Doesn't look like it. Let's do this box. We're missing 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. I don't see any help here. So 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Here we've got 3, 5, 6, 8, and a 9 there. So if we look at this column now, the only place our 2 can be is here. And that 2 makes this our 6, which makes this our 5 and our 4. That 4 makes this our 6 and 5 and 6. That 5 makes this our 2 and this our 6. All right, let's take a second here and go back and see what that has changed for us. Get rid of this 4 and 5 and this 5. This 2 makes this our 5. And this 6 makes this our 1. And that 5 makes this our 2. And so then if we come back down, that 5, we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. For this column now, we're just missing a 5 and 7. Let's see, what else can we do now? Get the 6 over there now, so we can get rid of the 6 and the 6. And it looks like for that row, the only place our 4 can be is here. If we look at this column, the only place our 6 can be is here. And because of this 6, we can get rid of this 6. If we look at this column, the only place our 9 can be is here. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We don't have any help, so 3, 4, 8. Looks like oh, nope, that's not true either. All right, this might be one of those times we're just going to have to plug a number in and see how it goes. Let's see, let's put an 8 here. That would make this 5 and 3. That 5 would make this 8 and 5. That 5 would make this 7, 3, 8. That 3 would make this 7, 5. So if we clean things up, we can get rid of this 8. But this 5 would make this 4, 5, and that 4 would make this 3 and 4. This 8 makes this 3 and 8. All right, well, it looks like it worked out. That was pretty messy again. I hope you're having a very good day. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for our next puzzle.